Hola, Combrogos. It's very windy today, so you might have trouble hearing me. But other than that, it's a nice day. Now these are them other boots that I repaired that I told you about. And the different thing I did with these ones was, you see the red part there? I took a piece of old mud flap. Do you remember those red mud flaps they used to sell at the stops? And I put it between the heel and the recut. I was just trying to give it a bit more style and a different look. I have got a few comments. But these are the ones, if you take a look, you can see the screws are protruding a little bit. And it can be pretty tricky in a supermarket. So I only use these ones now for kicking around in the dirt. They kind of work like cleats, you know? And then a project that I did yesterday was I repaired my old, and my hat almost blew away. The sun is always in the wrong spot. I think I repaired my old classic 70s leather coat. And I just did some basic stitches with one of them curved needles like they use for stitching up a wound. It was hard to get it through the leather, but let's see if I can flop it over, but use the wind here a little bit. See, it went all the way around and then up this side. Nothing's cooperating today. It's such a nice day though, I wanted to make a video for you. Yesterday's project. Took me all damn day though. It's really pretty out here in the valley right now. All these yellow flowers up everywhere. Which is kind of strange, ain't it? I thought that was a spring thing. Sure, it's fall. All these flowers really doing their thing. Here, take a look at this ant farm. While I go put this coat somewhere, because my hands are full and I can't hang on to my hat and do other things. So maybe this will be some good entertainment for a minute. I'll be right back. got bitten by one of these guys the other day, and it really took a good chunk out of me. about the same as a bee sting. So this is a side note video, and check them out. Always busy, all day long. So this is a side note video. Show you a little bit of scenery and how pretty things are out here right now. As you can see, flowers are everywhere. And it's also a dig a dock update. Say that real fast. So a dig a dock update to show you how that's going. Oh yeah, by the way, a really good looking rattlesnake that I went around the other day. I don't know why, but I didn't grab the camera and take a video. I should have. For a minute there, I thought about lopping his head off and having him for dinner. But he was real professional and gave me a good hiss and a very good rattle to let me know he was there. So I thought, I'll have a can of fish instead. He was too good looking to eat. Check out the mountains just over there. Now I've noticed on the camera they look far away, but they're not. That's probably only 2 miles away. Look how beautiful and rugged they are. Up here in the high desert. See the light changing color on them because the clouds blocking out the sun. Does anybody remember Ansel Adams photography? He was a very good photographer. His photos were famous, black and whites. And he would wait hours and a couple of days to get the perfect shot, but check out some of his work. It was very, very good. There's a car going down the dirt road. It's very hard to see where I'm filming. Right now I'm holding the camera in that direction, but all I can see in the screen is my hat and my glasses, so but anyway, let's walk over to the dock. See how that's going. So the more I thought about it the other day, the more I liked the idea of digging the 4-foot ditch first. That way that'll be some good inspiration for this, because it is such a big project. Now all this dirt will be pulled out of here, but it's going to be used in other areas eventually, which you'll see as I go. So it's all going to be put to good use. That's where I'm at right now. Not real far. I can get the sun behind me. I'm about a foot down. I think I'm in the right spot with the camera, but you can see how rocky it is. I mean, it's just full of rock. So you got to have a matic to be able to break it up if you're doing it by hand, which I am. Now, once again, if I had any money, I could hire a guy and maybe he'd come over for a couple hours with his bobcat or whatever and dig it out for maybe, I don't know, $1,000 maybe. But like I've said before, you know the story. My main worry is those tires down south. I don't know what I'm going to do about that. But what I'm trying to do, part of what I'm trying to do, that's why I've shown the boot repair and the leather jacket repair, is I'm trying to encourage people to, if they're low on money, they can repair things for a lot less. I mean, I did that jacket repair for under $2. I got a packet of needles for $1.20 and some thread, so let's just say $2. And even though it's not a pretty repair, it gives it some character, and it'll last a long time. I mean, the other side will probably blow out before that repaired side does, because that thread that I used is super strong stuff. It's like saddlery type thread that they use for saddlery and bridles and headstalls, and that was actually my first job when I was a teenager. I got a job working at a handmade saddlery store. Didn't know what to call it there for a second. It wasn't a factory because it was just a small operation. It was only 3 of us there, 4 of us. And so I learned a little bit of sewing there, but that repair that I did on the coat, I mean, that's real basic. You just loop over and then back around, and you just pull the material back together, just like stitching up a real basic stitch. That's part of what I'm trying to do. Is show people that they can save themselves some bucks if they're in hard times. And I repaired 2 pairs of boots. If I went out and got 2 new pairs of boots, it would probably be around probably $3